Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi and you are most welcome guys on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. Be happy, be positive and be optimistic towards learning anything new in your life. So today I'm going to talk about transport. So be ready and keep watching videos and keep learning something new. So the question, I think I'm going to ask few questions to myself about transport. The first question is all about what's your favorite mode of transport? You can also comment me, so I can know what about your favorite transport. If you are talking about mine, so my favorite transport, I do like trains. I would like to travel the things from the train, and I like very much, I'm praising a lot to Indian Railways. So if I want to go anywhere at that time, I would like to prefer to go by train. So that is really good, and so it is my favorite mode of transport. So, and the second question is, do you ever use public transport? Yes, of course I do use general transport a lot and the public transport a lot, because I'm totally based on the public transport. Wherever I want to go, I would like to take bus, auto, rickshaw, a lot more things. It means I'm totally based on the public transport, because I don't have my own car and something like that. At that time I would like to prefer public transport. And third question is all about, do you like the transport system in your country? Yes, I do like, but I would like to say one thing: there is a need of improvement as well. If there will be improvement in my country's transport, it will be better for the people to go from here to there and they will move comfortably. So right now also there is a need of improvement, because sometimes the people, they are facing a lot, and we don't have that much good facilities. So that's why there is a need of improvement. But I do like, because if you want to go anywhere, so we can get easily auto rickshaw, buses, trains, and a lot more things in my country. So there is a need of good transportation system, because we are living in a country of 1.4 billion people, so 140 crores. So that's why it is really compulsory and it is must for us to have a good transportation system in our country. I do like, but there's a need of improvement little bit as well. So in the future I hope so that it is gonna be really okay and we are gonna enjoy a lot to our transportation system. So the third question is, do you like the transport system in your country? I asked this question, sorry for that. So the last question is all about, what is the difference between taking a bus and taking a train? What is the difference between taking a bus and taking a train? So the bus, if you want to go anywhere at that time, if you're talking about the fare, so in my country the fare of the buses is more than train, and the railways is providing journey to us in cheaper rate. But if you want to go through the bus, maybe it can cost more from the trains. So if you want to go forward with the train, you have to be in time, because it will come on time, and if you will be late at that time, train will not wait for you. But in the case of bus, whenever you want, just you can do travel, and just you can go at afternoon, evening, morning, and after 30 minutes, 15 minutes, you will get a bus, and you can go wherever you want to go. So that is the difference between taking a bus and taking a train. If you are going through the train, at that time you have to schedule the things according to the train. But of course, if you are going by bus, at that time you can do the things whatever you want, and you can just go there in the afternoon whenever you want. At that time you will get, after a few minutes you will get a bus, and you can reach there whenever whenever and wherever you want to go. This is all about the answers. So thank you so much, and keep watching videos and keep learning something new. So if you are liking my videos little bit as well, so please do subscribe my YouTube channel, because it will give me motivation to make a lot more stuff for you guys, and I will come up with a lot more videos and a lot more topics, so it will be helpful for me and you as well. So bye bye, take care.